Hey guys, this is Randy from Egress Pros, and I'm standing here in front of our beautiful 48 by 48 twin Inswing Egress windows. What makes our windows so special? First and foremost is our single handle action. For ease and speed, one turn and our windows open into the room, ensuring plenty of space for your family or our first responders in the event of an emergency. But when you're relaxing, our windows also tilt in, allowing you to control the amount of air you want in. But you're gonna love this. Open up this side with our new secret handle. Open up the other side. Now you have a full 48 by 48 opening in your basement. I want to remind you, this is your basement. Our screens are designed for quick and ease to get in or out, whether it's you or a first responder. Egress Pros, our windows are made for ease and speed to ensure the safety of your family and our first responders. I'm going to be back in a minute to show you our next window. Now I'm standing in front of our 48 by 48 slider window. Let's talk about what makes this window so awesome. First and foremost, single handle action for ease and speed. Turn the window up, slide down. You have a full 24-inch access, 24 by 24 to get out, or for those first responders to get in. But remember our screen. Again, sliding for ease and speed. This window also has the ability to open on the other side when necessary. Again, Egress Pros. Our windows are designed to get you out or get those first responders in safely. Let's come back and talk about more windows in a minute. And finally, I'm standing in front of our famous 31 by 42 Inswing Egress window. Let's talk about what makes this window so special. First and foremost is our single handle action, ensuring speed and simple escape. Window opens into the room, very important. We want to preserve the space in the well for your family and or our first responders. But when you're relaxing in your basement, our windows tilt in, ensuring fresh air. Open the window again. Our screens slide for ease and speed, ensuring your family or first responders can get in or out quickly. This window style is available in a few different sizes. Check out our website, egresspros.com, or call us 516-224-7576. And remember, Egress saves lives.